Welcome to another video by Gibson & Associates, where we will discuss the key stages that you will go through when purchasing your new home. Every property transaction is a little different, but typically you can expect the following steps to occur. Firstly, you pay a booking deposit. This is to show that you are a committed buyer, and this is fully refundable until all contracts are signed. 2. Valuations are carried out. If you are getting a mortgage, a bank-approved valuer will inspect the property. 3. Your mortgage is approved. After the valuations are performed and you meet your bank's criteria, your mortgage is formally approved. 4. Your loan pack will be received by us. 5. We will review your contract with you to check that there are no problems with the property and raise any necessary queries with the seller's solicitor. 6. The contracts for sale are signed. You and the seller signed the contracts and you pay the remaining deposit, but you and the seller are now in a binding agreement. 7. Arrangements are made to transfer ownership and the loan funds are drawn down. 8. The solicitor will then transfer the purchase monies to the seller's solicitor. 9. Searches are performed. If everything is correct, then it goes through and you are the new proud owner. 10. You then collect your keys from the estate agent and move into your new home. And lastly, we pay the stamp duty on your behalf, register you as a new owner, and send your title documents to the bank. Thank you for watching, and we will be there to guide you along the way.